My measure.
Your who?
Mum.
Oh.
Mum and Dad and Kingston.
What's it about?
Pioneers.
I always cry when I watch the restoration.
Oh, the restorations are good.
Oh.
What you want to do is you just want to dice the butter. But when you put it in the microwave, it just softens rather than melts.
Right.
Too slowly.
So for how long do we put it into the microwave?
Oh, maybe about 20 to 30 seconds. You don't want it in there too long, otherwise it becomes runny.
Oh.
Melted. Like I said before, you just want it softened.
Not melted.
Not melted.
So remember that, guys? Softened, not melted.
Make sure you have clean hands. I'm just kidding.
Wow.
I just picked my bum. Upset.
Shame.
I'm a gangster.
Do you guys want to see the naked photo of Talmud?
I see the photo.
Auntie!
This is a fridge, not a microwave.
It's on!
Let's see.
It is on!